So I've got 3 hairstyles to show you guys in today's video, this being one of them, and then followed up by a fringe hairstyle and then kind of a messy slick back type of look. They're all very quick and easy to do, really good if you're growing out an undercut. As you can see, I have an undercut right now. It's been about 2 weeks since I've got a haircut. Although the back of my hair is kind of blended in, the sides still are completely disconnected, so it still kind of classifies as an undercut. So in today's video, like I said, I'm going to show you guys 3 different hairstyles that you can achieve if you are growing out your own undercut, or you're just looking to kind of change up your day-to-day hairstyle and maybe try something new. So with that being said, I just want to go over the measurements. For the top of my hair, I've got about maybe 4 inches of length. It gets a little bit shorter at the back here, probably down to about 3, and then it blends down into kind of the back of my head. Down near the bottom of the neck is probably like a number 2, maybe a 3 on a clipper. Same with the sides, and that just kind of blends up into a little bit longer. And through the corners here, maybe about like a 4 or a 5 on the clippers. And then for the products I'm using, I've got Ocean Clay by Shavu. That's always been my go-to product. I'll be using that for all 3 hairstyles. For one of the 3 hairstyles, I'm using Forte Series Argan Oil. This is just a nice kind of hydrating oil and kind of helps protect the heat from the blow dryer. And then for the other 2 hairstyles, I'll be using this instead of the argan oil. This is just a very generic hairspray. Pretty much just serves as a purpose to protect your hair from the heat of the blow dryer as well. And like I said, I'll be doing this hairstyle kind of like a exaggerated curtains, and then I'll be doing a messy fringe along with a messy kind of slick back hairstyle. So those are the products we'll be using. Those are the 3 hairstyles we'll be doing. Let's run over to the bathroom and let's get it started. Alrighty, that is our wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. My Instagram is linked in the top of the description down below if you guys want to go check that out. It obviously is more catered toward the fashion side of things, but it is always there if you guys want to go follow me on there. Drop a like if you guys enjoyed today's video. That obviously really helps me out. And let me know what sort of videos you guys want to see, because I would rather cater towards, you know, the audience and what you guys want to see as opposed to what I am kind of thinking of putting out. And yeah, that is going to do it for today's video. Again, I really hope you guys did enjoy, and I will see you very soon.